In last lecture, we had discussed about various stages involved in the process of academic writing. And while studying about that, we had discussed about the pre-writing stage. So in today's lecture, I'm going to discuss about what exactly pre-writing is and what is the importance of it, how to do it. So we are going to discuss about all these things in today's lecture. So first of all, the idea should be clear in your mind what exactly pre-writing is. Pre-writing is the planning stage of doing academic writing. That means at this stage you prepare your ideas, how exactly you have to go forward. That you decide at the stage of pre-writing. So first of all, what you should do, think carefully about what you are going to write. That means if you have to write something, so obviously the idea should be clear in your mind. The topic should be clear in your mind. So first of all, when you decide your topic, when you decide how exactly you have to go forward, then you are starting pre-writing. Okay, so first of all, have some questions in your mind. That means what should be the topic? Would the readers take interest in this particular topic? Is the material available on internet or in some other books, so that you can go forward, you can move forward. So you have to clear all these things at the pre-writing stage. And after that, what you have to do, start writing a few points, you have to first of all write your topic, and then about from where you can get material, whether people will take interest in this topic or not, what more you can add in your topic, whether you have to put counter arguments in academic writing or not. You just have to present your writing in a simple manner, or you have to present a kind of comparison in it. So everything should be decided at pre-writing stage. When you decide all your ideas in your mind, then open your notebook and write down some important points, like from where you will collect your material, from where you will collect your material, like you can collect your material from primary source and from secondary source. So what would be the source from where you will collect your material for doing a good academic writing? So write down each and everything. You are not supposed to do a lengthy writing over here, because you are not drafting it, you are at the pre-writing stage. So just have some idea about it, write down the key points, and then collect the relevant material about your topic or paragraph. That means roughly you have to collect material about your topic. From where you can take it, you can take it. Okay, so now pen down your ideas in brief manner, or you can write it in a lengthy way as well, if you are in need of doing that. And after writing your ideas, organize your way of presenting your ideas. Like you must be very clear about it, that what kind of material you are going to put in your introduction, which thing should be included in your main body section, and how will you present your conclusion. So everything should be decided at the level of pre-writing. So as I told you earlier, that pre-writing is the planning stage. So it's very important to be good in your planning, otherwise whatever you will do further, that will be in vain. So at pre-writing stage, decide your strategy, decide your material, decide your topic, and decide your plan of action. So if you do all these things perfectly, then obviously you can move towards the second stage of academic writing, that is called drafting. So do all these things at pre-writing stage and then go for drafting. So it was all about pre-writing stage, and I hope the lecture is clear to you all. Thank you.